Now we are going to discuss about various addressing modes of 8085. Before that, let us see the basic concept of 8085 processor. That is, first we should know what is a microprocessor. It is nothing but a digital programmable device capable of fetching the data, then decoding and finally executing an instruction. What are the basic building block of microprocessor in the sense? Arithmetical logical unit, an array of registers and a control unit. It is nothing but a single chip CPU. So based upon the size of the data in which a microprocessor can operate, we can classify the microprocessor into 8-bit processor and 16-bit processor. 8-bit processor, popular 8-bit processor is 8085. It is having 16-bit address bus and 8-bit data bus. And similarly, 16-bit microprocessor is 8086, whose address bus size is 20-bit wide and data bus is 16-bit wide. Let us see some of the important terms used in microprocessor. The foremost one is bit. A digit of binary representation is nothing but bit. Byte is combination of 8-bit and combination of 16-bit is word. The next important term is data, which is nothing but the quantity to be operated by an instruction. Opcode is nothing but part of instruction that identifies specific operation. In case of microprocessor, we will make use of shortened form of notation instruction, that is mnemonics. And next one is bus. It is a group of conducting line that carries useful information such as address information, data information and control signals. Accordingly, we named the buses address bus, data bus and control bus. Let us move on to addressing. Actually, in case of microprocessor, in order to execute an instruction, first the microprocessor have to place the 16-bit address on the address bus. When the address bus reaches the particular memory location, then the memory location will place the data on the data bus. When the data bus reaches the CPU, it will be stored in instruction register. Then the instruction decoder will decode those opcode and it will be perform the operation based upon the nature of instruction. So in order to locate the data, we need addressing. It may be the data will be stored in either in some memory location or it may be in a register, or sometimes some instruction having the data will be the immediate one. So based upon that, we are classifying the addressing mode into 5 types. They are immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, direct addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode and implied addressing mode. Let us see the classification one by one. First one is immediate addressing mode. In this mode, the data will be part of the instruction. The instruction having letter capital I will fall under this category. Example, MVAC, 25 capital H, that H denote hexadecimal notation. As we know, in case of microprocessor, it will convert assembly language program into machine language program. So here 25H is nothing but immediate data. That immediate data will be copied to C register. So the instruction having capital I will comes under this immediate addressing mode. Next addressing mode is register addressing mode. So this type of instruction specifies the name of the register which containing the data. In this type, the source, destination as well as both might be the register. Example, move A, B. Here B will be source register and A will be destination register. The 8-bit data available in B register will be copied to A register. This is just a copying operation. The third addressing mode is direct addressing mode. In this addressing mode, the address of the data will be specified in the instruction. So as we know, the address of 8-bit processor is 16-bit wide. So in example, LDA 4500, this 4500 is nothing but 16-bit address which contain on 8-bit data. That 8-bit data will be loaded into accumulator. This LDA is nothing but mnemonics, which is shortened form of instruction load direct accumulator. The next addressing mode is register indirect addressing mode. This type of addressing mode specifies the name of register in which the address of the data is available. So here the data will be stored in memory and the address will be stored in HL register pair. In case of 8085 processor, we have 6 8-bit register A, B, C, D, E, H and L. If you want to store 16-bit data, we can make use of register pair. The allowable register pairs are B, C, D, E and HL. Among these, HL register pair is we can make it as temporary memory location, which is denoted by capital M. So example for this addressing mode is move A, M. Here M is nothing but temporary memory, that is the memory data addressed by HL register pair will be moved to accumulator. The next addressing mode is implied addressing mode. This instruction specifies the data to be operated. Example CMA. The abbreviation for this is complement the content of accumulator. And one more instruction HLT, that is nothing but halt the program execution. Thank you.